sneezing. There you go. There you go.
Okay, do one more. Good morning, guys. It's our third day here in Alaska. So today we're gonna go for a glacier and wildlife encounter today. So we already went to the train station, but we're too early. That's why we have to go back to our hotel, which is very, very close to the train station. And we'll get coffee and then we'll go back there again. It's cold today, but the sunlight helps a lot.
And they probably all got some fishing to do, which is pretty good for the people that like to go fishing. I do. Summer months, it's a tourist destination, and the government doesn't really operate. Well, they do operate, but they don't operate there. They operate there. Commercial boats out here. You won't see any even personal boats out here in the
Of hiking.
Look at that. Warning. No.
So ibang ano na naman to guys, trail. So eto guys yung trail. Mas maliit siya kumpara sa trail na nag-hike kami kahapon. Kahapon di ko guys na video lahat kasi yung phone case nag full storage siya, then need ko i-delete yung ibang mga apps. Wow, the water is so cool. Guys, sobrang ganda ng panahon ngayon dito sa Alaska. Yesterday, medyo ano siya, gloomy. So, yung mga ibang kasamahan namin pag nakita nandun. So, bali sa isang group kami, isang van, then pinick up kami sa hotel namin. So, nag-stop by kami dun sa gas station sa Portage. Sobrang ganda guys ng bundok, as in super relaxing. Super ganda dito sa Alaska guys during summer. Pero sa winter, sabi nila grabe daw yung snow yung nadaanan namin. Meron silang sobrang taas na stick, parang sign na pag snow. So guys, finally we're here in different parts of Alaska. We're here in Portage. So nandito kami guys. Look at that. We're not allowed to climb up in there because it's really dangerous. It's so nice in here. The weather today is really, really good guys. And then you can also step on the glacier. Oops. Jasper, don't do that. Wow. So we're here now in the glacier. It's leaky. You have to slow down. So andito na kasi ngayon kailangan nung talaga dandahan kasi yung ice is very, very madulas. Si Mark nandun. Ayun si Jasper. He's trying to go up there. Ayun, merong mga tao dun. So, aalis na kami. Ay, pabalik na pala kami dun sa van namin, guys, because we need to be there around 12:15 and then time check is 11:58. Pero malapit na kami kasi pupunta kami. Our next destination is, I'm not really sure, maybe we're going to Wildlife Center where we will see all the wildlife animals, and or else we will go to cruise and then see the glaciers really close. So we'll figure. Let's see what we're gonna do for the next destination. Oh my.
Cute.
Yes, cute. Wow, that's a huge one. Oh. Wow. Wow, that's big, my love.
Yeah.
What is she doing? Look at you! You're so cute! Dito na kami guys sa Wildlife Center. Meron kaming nakita na bear, sobrang laki. There's another one there, my love. He's kinda like staying on that, you know, in that, yeah, and then sleeping.
Yeah.
But there's like one huge in here. We have to go around.
Can we go over there?
Let's go this way.
Oh shit. Where's everybody else?
They're going anywhere, like right here or maybe on that side. So they're trying to look where they are. Ayan guys, dito kami sa Wildlife Center. So meron silang 3 bear sa location na to. Then meron kami kanina nakita na isa doon, meron siyang sugat. That's beautiful. Oh my gosh. Wow. You see that one? You. Wow, look at that. Oh my gosh. Look at him. Kapti kamayad. Oh my gosh. That's so cute.
About the same.
Look at that.
Guys. And celery?
Guys, finally we're back to our hotel after our day trip. So ngayon punta naman kami sa taas sa downtown nila para kakain para sa dinner namin. Ang gulo ng buhok ko. So may nahanap kami na Thai restaurants like 13 minutes walk. So dun yung punta namin ngayon. Papunta kami guys sa restaurant namin. Natatawa kami kasi syempre tourist kami dito sa Alaska. Then para sa amin ang lamig, yung taga rito guys nagsi-sleeveless, nagti-t-shirt, parang wala lang sa kanila. Nandito na kami guys sa restaurant. Maganda kasi meron silang music. So, nakapili ay meron na akong food choice. So, eto sa akin yung kinuha ko, yung chowder. Kay Mark is, that's also salmon, right?
Halibut.
Oh, halibut. And Jasper got a hamburger. It's like a crab hamburger. Ang sarap.
That looks good.
I like mango. Tapos na kami guys kumain. Naglalakad kami babalik sa hotel namin. Ang lamig! It is cold. It's kind of like spring season in Georgia. There's summer here. Then windy pa siya guys. Then na-notice ko dito sa Alaska, kaunti lang yung tao kahit dito sa downtown nila. Good morning guys. Nandito kami ngayon sa bridge. Huh? Where? Huh? Where? Dito kami nanonood ng mga nagpi-fishing dito guys.
The bird caught.
A lot. What kind of, is that a seagull you said?
Yeah. He might be out of the
Wow. Nakalibre guys ng massage. Meron siguro na nagbayad dito tapos time na para umalis sa aeroplano. Meron pang 7 minutes. Nakalibre pa ng 8 minutes to kanina. 6 minutes na. Ayan. Oh my gosh. Kararating lang namin dito guys sa Minnesota. Nag-ibang route kami kasi nga wala talaga kaming mapasukan kasi lahat full yung aeroplano. So, pumunta na lang kami dito yan si Jess. Hindi kami nakatulog ng maayos. Inaantay namin si Mark dito. Tapos naman kami flight ng 2 hours. Galing dito sa Minnesota papuntang Atlanta. Hello guys, finally we're home. Guys, grabe, ang tagal namin talaga nag-antay ng bakante sa eroplano. Pang 4th na flight papunta dito sa Atlanta. Yung 3 flight hindi kami nakapasok kasi punuan. Kasi standby lang kami. Then yung 4th na flight, yun na. Mga umalis doon kanina mga 3 o'clock. So, karating lang namin kasi yung biyahe is almost 3 hours from Minneapolis papunta dito sa Atlanta, guys. Finally, as in grabe. Sobrang pagod kami. Wala talaga kaming tulog, guys. Proper na tulog kasi umalis kami sa Anchorage. Anong oras ba yun? 3. Akala namin yung flight namin 3. Yun pala is 8 ng gabi. Then, nag-antay kami. First flight, hindi kami nakapasok yung Anchorage to Atlanta kasi isang beses lang nag-flight guys yung Anchorage papunta ng Atlanta dito, then Atlanta to Anchorage. So, hindi na kami nakapasok doon kaya nag-try kami ng ibang route. So, nag-decide si Habi na pupunta kami sa Minneapolis. Then, yun, nung second na flight from Anchorage to Minneapolis, nakapasok kami. Then 3 na lang talaga guys yung available seat, as in talagang para sa amin. Then muntik lang, hindi namin narinig yung sinabi ng gate agent. Sabi nila na pag merong standby kasi nasa first on list talaga kami kasi matagal na si Habi nag-work sa Delta. So, yun, nakapasok kami guys. Yung biyahe namin is 5 hours papunta, galing Anchorage papuntang Minneapolis. Pagdating namin dun 6 o'clock in the morning. Then around 7, yun, merong flight papuntang Atlanta. Hindi kami nakapasok. Palipat-lipat kami ng gate kung saan kung saan kami guys makapasok, kung saan merong available seats na makapasok kami. Paikot-ikot kami hanggat sa yung 3 o'clock na flight from Minneapolis papunta dito sa Atlanta. Yun, nakapasok kami, as in punuan guys talaga yung eroplano, especially papasok na din yung mga nagbakasyon, uwian na din. Finally, nakauwi din kami guys. Grabe, wala talaga kaming tulog. Hindi rin ako makatulog sa eroplano kasi sa upuan, then hindi ko ma-adjust yung chair ko. Sobrang sakit ng likod ko, yung paa ko parang nagka-cramping siya. Sa 5 hours guys, as in hindi talaga comfortable. Pagdating namin sa Minneapolis, grabe, sobrang antok ako. 3 kami, pati din yung si Jazz, yung anak ko. Pagod din siya. Wala kaming enough na tulog guys, kaya for sure talaga ngayong gabi is maganda talaga yung tulog namin. Buti na lang nag-decide kami na uuwi ng Thursday. Kasi Thursday kami guys umalis ng Anchorage. Ngayon lang kami nakarating ng Friday ng gabi dito sa Atlanta. So yan yung pros, ay yung cons ng free flight. Pero we're still grateful kasi guys, kung babayaran namin yung flight na yun, malaki na yun guys. Magkano na yung babayaran namin sa 3 kami. So, ano lang talaga, kailangan lang talaga ng mahabang pasensya. So, we're very thankful because finally we're home and we're safe. Pagdating namin dito, then na-enjoy namin guys yung bakasyon namin. Babalik na naman kami, busy-busyhan na naman. Si Just, babalik siya ng school, babalik ako ng school at the same time nagtatrabaho. Din si Habi naman is siguro babalik siya ng work din. Minsan na lang talaga siya guys pumapasok kasi nasa stage na siya ng retirement niya. So, yun guys. So, we really enjoyed our vacation in Alaska guys. Is sobrang ganda talaga, as in super. So maybe next year babalik ulit kami dun kasi gusto ko talaga guys mag-fishing ng salmon, as in nakakatuwa talaga siya. So anyway, yun yung plan namin, hopefully next year, kasi nagtitake pa rin ako ng prerequisite ko. I have 3 more subject before mag-in sa nursing program. So yan guys, hopefully lang talaga mag-synchronous yung ano namin. Kasi ngayon in person ako this fall semester. The next year, sabi ng friend ko is synchronous na daw. So, ayan guys, lahat ng videos. Alam niyo guys, hindi ako talaga nag-video ng marami kasi yung phone ko is always full storage na siya. So, I need to delete yung ibang video. Kailangan ko mag-edit, i-delete na naman pag na-post ko. Kaya yung video ko talaga as in, hindi talaga siya as in totally na nabuo talaga siya guys. Kung ano lang talaga ma-capture ko nung nagbakasyon kami, nung travel namin sa Alaska. But I will upload my video kung kailan man ko to ma-upload, hopefully as soon as possible. So, thank you so much guys for watching. See you again for our next travel. Bye!